Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Charge to over 50% and remove SIM and SD to avoid data corruption. Once ready, power off the Nokia. Then press and hold volume down plus power to boot into the bootloader or recovery. This gives you direct access to reset tools. If the model boots normally, make sure to navigate to Settings System, reset Factory Data Reset instead. You do this because hardware recovery works when software is unresponsive, while settings is faster when accessible. Once in recovery, navigate with the volume keys to wipe data or factory reset and confirm with the power button. This is deliberate to prevent accidental wipes. Then select Yes, erase all user data to remove user partitions, apps, and settings. This clears the device back to factory state. Make sure to wait for the data wipe complete confirmation. Interrupting here can leave the system inconsistent. Once the wipe finishes, stay in recovery for the final reboot step. You now select Reboot System Now and let the phone complete its first boot. It can take several minutes because setup scripts run. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop or never finishes, re-enter recovery and repeat the wipe, or connect to a PC and use the Nokia recovery tool to flash factory firmware. This fixes corrupted system partitions. Make sure to reinstall the SIM and SD after reset and sign into the original account if activation lock requires it, so the device becomes usable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.